Hi, I'm Carpenter Joe.
And I'm Carpenter Dan.
And this week on Woodworking Wednesdays, we'll be drilling a hole part of the way through a block of wood with a Craftsman 8-inch drill press. The first step in drilling a hole part of the way through a piece of wood is clamping it down, because you don't want your wood flying off of the drilling block while you're drilling. The second step is setting the depth of the hole that you want to drill. We're looking to drill a 1/2-inch hole in our block of wood. Currently, Dan is screwing 2 nuts down to the bottom of the screw so that he can put the indicator at the 1/2-inch mark, effectively stopping the drill press when it reaches 1/2 inch. Next, we set the block of wood all the way to the tip of the drill and secure it. Next, we turn on the drill. Now, it's time to drill. As you can see, the drill stopped going down after it reached 1/2 inch because of where the indicator was set. That's a beautiful 1/2-inch hole right there.